Hello, loves, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Marshmello. What are you doing? You're not thinking about ordering in today, are you? Nonsense. If you really want some sushi, let's make it ourselves. For our rolls, we'll need cooked rice, avocado, imitation crab meat, cucumber, nori, and sesame seeds. First things first, cleanse your palate with a taste of ginger. Now, begin your roll by laying a sheet of nori on a bamboo mat. Top the sheet off with a small amount of rice. Before doing so, use a bowl of water to wet your fingers.
Excellent.
Now, use your fingertips to create a thin layer of rice by gently spreading it out towards the edge of the nori. Next, pour sesame seeds on top of the rice. Once you've added the seeds, flip the rice so that the nori is facing up and the rice is on the bottom.
This is it.
Oh my gosh! Unbelievable!
Then, add strips of cucumber on the bottom of the nori, followed by avocado. Add the crab meat atop of that, and you've got your filling. Now, using the mat for pressure, roll the nori up into a thick band. And ka-ching! You've got yourself a plate of fresh California rolls. See you next week, everyone.